What's up, guys? Kelly McKay here, aka HVC Millionaire, right here on YouTube. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being on my channel. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button, and leave me a comment below. Merry Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year if I don't see you again, but I probably will see you again. I probably will record another video before the new year. But today I was just sitting here thinking, and I recorded a video and I didn't like it, so I stopped it, but it got me thinking just talking. So, since I was sitting here talking to myself in my office alone, I started thinking about going back to when I first began learning, like learning about business, learning personal development, increasing how much money I make, increasing how much money I save, increasing how I treat people, how I think, increasing my energy and my physiology, just increasing everything, my courage, my confidence, my self-esteem. As these things continued to go up, going back now and looking at how that happened, it started with books. I just read just a couple of books. I read Jack Canfield's The Success Principles, Getting from Where You Are to Where You Want to Be. Excellent book, still to this day. I read it twice because I liked it so much, and started implementing some of the things that I learned in that book, and things started getting better. Then, I think before that's when I read Think and Grow Rich. You guys have heard me say that 1,000 times. If you have not read Think and Grow Rich, holy cow, you gotta read it. It's, to this day, there are so many nuggets in that book. It's unbelievable. That book will continue to make people wealthy, continue to improve people's lives for probably the next century. It's excellent. I just recently heard of a book by Napoleon Hill also that's called, it's like Think and Grow Rich Through Peace of Mind, I want to say. Peace of Mind something. And I went to look for it on Audible. Now, don't get me wrong. Those two books I read, there's a difference. That's one of my pet peeves is when people say, oh, I've read all these books, and they've just listened to them on Audible. It's a completely different experience to read a book and to underline things and take notes and study it versus just listening to it on Audible. It is not the same thing. So I make distinctions between those two things, but it drives me crazy people who do not, because they are two different things. Don't tell me you read a book when you just listened to it on Audible. Just say that you listened to it on Audible. It's no shame, and I admire you for doing it. But did you read it or did you listen to it on Audible? Because sometimes when you listen to it on Audible, it might be one of those, you need to go get that book. You got to read it because it's just a completely different, you're going to absorb it differently. So anyhow, yeah. As this began, it started with books, and then it led to courses, and then it led to coaches, and it continues to lead to coaches and books and courses, and I've just never stopped. Once I started spending money on these things, I just never stopped. The amount increases every year, and you know what? My money increases too, so I've got the money to do those things, and it's something I enjoy, and then when I learn things, I can share them with you guys or share them in my coaching program. So absolutely love it. I won't stop doing it because it's just a proven fact that once you start and begin this, once you start learning from other people and taking their knowledge and implementing it, I'm telling you, you're going to see a raise in everything in your life. And when that happens, you're going to have the money for more programs to learn more. It's just a fact that when money moves, it continuously moves. So if I give money to somebody to learn something from them, then I get money back. So Merry Christmas, guys. I'm not going to keep you. I hope you get to spend some time with your family this weekend, and I hope that we lost a niece a couple weeks ago, a very young niece, and a couple of days ago we had her service, and so just know that life is short, and make the most of your time that you have here. And it's not all about learning and pushing to grow and be better. it's also about the time spent with family and just appreciating what you have and being grateful. So love you guys. Merry Christmas. Go make money. Boom. Check out my free training below if you haven't yet. Book a call with me. What are you waiting for?